Hello everyone. So we are today what we'll cover? We'll cover algebra further. I had two prior classes on algebra, basics, very basics. It was too basic. Today we'll proceed a little further. We'll cover formulas. You must be. The first formula which we hear of is a plus b whole square, right? So I'll explain you not, what's the formula is present everywhere, right? You can find it in your books, anywhere, in any books you will get the formula. I'll tell you how to derive the formula. That is, you can forget the formula anytime. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, but any point of time you can forget that. So if you forget, what do? You'll derive that formula on your copy pen. You have only thing you need is your pen and a piece of paper. You can derive that formula. So yeah, before I proceed, I wanted to request all of you to kindly like, share and subscribe if you like the video, and I would be very thankful for that. Thank you so much. And let's start with a plus b whole square. So this is the first formula which students, I don't know the class, it starts with 7, 8, 6. This is the formula which is there. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now suppose I was not aware of this formula. How did I forget this part. How do I derive it? Now before that, I'll move a step backwards. You know, right? A into a is a square, right? A into b is ab or ba, whatever, you can write it as ba. Plus into plus equals to plus, plus into minus. These basics should be covered. You should be knowing this. And minus into minus is also plus. So if the signs are like, it's plus, like the case with this one and with this one, and if they are not like, you'll get a minus sign. Minus into plus is minus, plus into minus is minus. Now another thing which I wanted to say, another basics, before we start deriving the formula. If I say, I'll give you an example with a constant, 4 constants, 2 plus 3, if I say, into 4 plus 5. Now this braces means, you understand, right? You have to calculate the value first. So anybody can say 2 plus 3 is 5 and 4 plus 5 is 9, and that is 45. But when you have variables associated, there is something called associative property. This means, say, what do I mean by this? 2 plus 3, 5 times 4 plus 5, 9. 5 times 9, which can be said as 2 times this plus 3 times this, right? If I say 2 plus 3 times something, that means 2 times that something plus 3 times that something. You understood? 2 plus 3 times, I don't know, it's 4 plus 5, c plus d, x plus y, whatever. It means 2 plus 3 times this means 2 times this plus 3 times this. So this is equal to 2 into, now you do the addition, because these are constants, you can calculate it. 4 plus 9, 2 into 9 plus 3 into 9, and that is 18 plus 27, and that is nothing but 45, which matches with this one. Why I explained this to you? So that you will, when we go to derivation of this formula, we will explain what's the use of this one. So let's move on to derivation of this formula. Let me know if you have any questions. You can put that in the comment sections. Okay, good so far. So now a plus b whole square, what does that mean? It means a plus b into a plus b, correct? Now I explained you 2 plus 3 into 4 plus 5. You just keep this in mind. So what did we do? A plus b times a plus b, which means a into a plus b, a times a plus b plus b times a plus b. Good so far? Where we said 2 times 4 plus 5 plus 3 times 4 plus 5. 3 times 4 plus 5. Now let's multiply. You know how to multiply this, right? No. If you don't know, let me see, this can be done like this too. This one can be 2 times 4 plus 5 means 2 times 4 plus 2 times 5, and 3 times 4 plus 5 means 3 times 4 plus 3 times 5. Now you get 8, you get 10, you get 12, you get 15. Add this. 12, 8, 20, 30, 45. The answer was 45 as with the previous two methods. So similarly, a into a plus b means a into a plus a into b plus b into a plus b into b. Next is a into a is a square. You understood, right? A gets multiplied with this one, then a gets multiplied with this one, b gets multiplied with this one, and then b gets multiplied. And similarly the signs also get multiplied. Everywhere we have plus, so plus into plus is plus. So a square plus a into b is ab, b into b, a is ab or b or whatever. Since we have written ab here, we will write ab here, and b into b is b square, and that gives us to AB means 1 times AB, right? AB means 1 times AB. So 1 AB plus 1 AB is 2 AB. 1 orange plus 1 orange is 2 orange. So this is the formula which we derived. Understood so far? Let me know if you have any questions. You always have the right to ask questions, not now. You have to put your questions in your comment box. So let's derive a minus b whole square next. This was number 1. Now we'll quickly do a minus b whole square. It means a minus b into a minus b, right? Whole square means what? You have to multiply a minus b with again a minus b, right? That is whole square. Yeah, I can write it here. Yes, I'm sorry. A minus b whole square equals to a minus b into a minus b. So now I told you, right? Plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is also minus when the signs are like. So here it's a into a minus b and minus b into a minus b. Since we don't need to write into sign because this applies, there is an into sign. that is a into a minus a into b, because this is plus, this is minus, minus b into a, which is ab, b into a I'll write, minus b into minus b, that is plus b into b. A into a is a square minus ab plus b square, and that gives you to the final result, minus ab is minus 2ab plus b square. Thank you so much. I believe you are good with these are the first two basic formulas which we covered. We'll cover next formulas, I mean, in the upcoming classes. Thanks for watching the video, and please do share, subscribe, like this video if you like the video, if you got to understand something. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.